Hey there, imagine being able to create custom videos just like this one you're watching right now and have me
Or me.
Or me.
Or me.
sell, promote,
Or talk about any
Product or service you'd like.
Well, that's exactly what you're going to learn about in this video.
We have simplified the entire process of creating unique UGC
and spokesperson videos on a mass scale.
You're just minutes away from being able to create custom videos with real human actors
That convert so well on all the social video platforms
like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube that clients will happily pay you $500 to $1,000 per video.
Y también puedes crear videos en cualquier idioma.
She just said that you can create videos in any language. We are real humans saying anything you'd like in any language.
With perfect AI lip syncing that you can sell to clients for a premium, or use for ads, promotions,
Or even rank the videos in Google and much more.
In fact, if you've never heard about UGC videos, I invite you to pause this video right now and do a quick Google search. What you're going to find is some eye-opening statistics like studies showing that 90% of consumers find user-generated content more influential and trustworthy compared to traditional advertising.
In short, UGC videos are the perfect style of hybrid promo style that sends engagement, conversions, and sales through the roof.
And when you combine the ability to tap into both UGC videos and professional spokesperson videos, you get the best of both worlds.
However, before today, creating unique UGC and spokesperson videos are really expensive, complicated, and time-consuming.
Introducing UGC Valet.
The only done-for-you UGC and spokesperson video creation app you'll ever need.
This is the perfect blend of real humans and AI, so anyone can leverage the power of these proven-to-convert videos.
And now I invite you to go below this video, watch the demo, learn about all the amazing features, check out all the bonuses, and finally secure the exclusive limited-time discount we have activated during this Charter Members Blowout Sale.